Okay, the date today is Saturday, the 6th of January 2024. The time is 23:11, meaning it's 11 past 11 p.m. I'm going to attempt to communicate with my mum and my dog tonight using the SBox, which has only just arrived today. It's had a lot of good reviews, and I'm hoping it will bring me some success tonight with communicating with my mum. Okay. I ask that you communicate and allow me to connect with my mother tonight and my little dog. I come with love, respect and peace, and I wish to speak to them so much. It's been a little while since the last session. I still have a lot of reviewing backlogs to do, but I do wish, if possible, to speak to them tonight. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. I invite only the most loving spirits in, no evil spirits or negative energies. Not tonight. I wish to communicate with the spirit of my mum, please. My mum, Irene Marilyn Jackson, who passed away on September 27th, 2023 in the early hours of the morning on a Wednesday morning. She passed away from sepsis, which was very sudden, and I feel that she went definitely too soon. Please connect me with my mother. She sometimes went by a stage name Melinda Jackson or Melinda Tracy. Sometimes she went by the name Irina Peters. She was an actress and a singer in the 70s and 80s. Please connect me with the spirit of my mum. Mum? Mum, are you there? Mum? It's your son. Are you there? Mum, it's me, your son. Are you there? Mum, if you're there, please come forward and speak to me. I know it's difficult. I know it requires a lot of energy sometimes to do this. If you can hear me though, please try your very best to come through to me through the SBox. Okay, I think I heard a spirit say fuck off there. I'm just going to say that bad spirits are not welcome. I have said this. You cannot attach to me or possess me. I'm protected by God's light and you'll be repelled. I only invite in loving spirits, specifically my mum and my dog. Mum, are you there? Mum, if you can hear me, I really miss you. I miss you so much. Mum, I'm trying very hard to find you. I'm trying different devices, different methods. Please try to come forward to show me that what I'm doing is working, or that I'm getting somewhere. It's been over 3 months since you passed now. Please try to come forward, Mum. Are you with little Layla? Is she with you? There, can you say my name? Mum, if you're there, can you say your name? Just so I know it's you. Mum, who are you with? Who's with you right now? Years. 10 years since you used to come with me to do spirit box sessions at Walthamstow Cemetery. 10 years ago that was. Do you know that? Mum, are you okay? I could be wrong, but I think I heard you say change the sequence. Let me have a look. Is this better? Mum, is that better? Mum, are you with little Layla? Mum, is this better for you? Mum, are you there? Mum, try to speak to me and I'll try and hear you. Do your best to try to come through to me, okay? Mum, use the energy from this crystal. Please come forward.
You know the way.
Mum? Can you tell me how you are? Mum, are you there? I'll try on one more slower speed. And if this don't work, we'll try FM. Are you there? Mum, are you there? Mum, you can use my energy if you need to. Come forward and speak to me. You used to phone me all the time.
To find out more.
Please may I communicate with my little dog Layla. She was my best friend. She passed away on August the 3rd, 2023 in the early hours of a Thursday morning. She was ill Wednesday and through to Wednesday night where she kept being sick. And on Thursday morning she passed away about 2:30 AM. Please may I communicate with my little Layla, please, my little dog. Layla? Darling, are you there? Layla, I've got your ashes here, darling. Are you here, babe?
Tenacious.
Okay, there's not much coming through, I don't think. I'll try FM. Layla, darling, are you there, my little girl?
Sorry.
Layla, babe, are you there? Layla, if you're there, come forward and speak to me. Oh, hello, what's this? What's this energy going up? Is that the radio doing that, or is that something else? Something's here. Layla? Baby, is that you? I know the radio can affect this thing, but it seems to be going up when there's nothing particularly there. Layla? Is that you, Lay? Layla, can you hear me, babe? Beautiful dog. I heard a little sample of a song come through there saying beautiful. You were beautiful, my beautiful dog. Layla, darling, are you there, babe? Layla, darling, are you with Mama? Layla, babe, are you with Mum? Layla? Layla, do you remember when we used to go for our walkies? Layla, baby, beautiful dog.
Recheck.
Layla, darling, are you there, babe? Remember we used to go for our long walks, that little green that you liked, that little park bit you loved? You couldn't wait to get there, do you remember? Every time you couldn't wait to pull over to that bit. Layla, darling, do you remember we used to go to the pub? The Wheelers? Remember? You used to like going in there, didn't you? You used to get a bowl of water they used to give you.
Step away from it.
I'm going to put a little bit of reverb on for the remainder of this session. Are you there? Layla? Mom? Are you there, darlings? Are you together? Layla!
I think I need her at the photograph.
Layla! Mama La, can you tell me where you are? What your surroundings are? For the remainder of this session, I'm going to change over to the FCD box. Mum? Mum? Mum, is that you? Mum? Mum? Are you with Layla, darling? Mum, are you with Layla? Layla, are you there? Are you with Mama? Mum? Mum, are you there? Mum, are you there? Mum? Okay, the tape has ended. So that means our session has to end too.